Hawa diha, piyon kay makag-apil. Balik. Contestant. Ayan na di ay. Sige, wait. Contestant number 10. Julia Chavez. 6 years old. Barangay Caraas. Salapag. She loves mag-TikTok, mag-practice, mag-swimming. Her favorite verse is Psalm 145 verse 9. The Lord is good to all. That is Julia. Next, number 14. Helmi Rose Musica. 6 years old. Barangay Tae, Cagayan de Oro City. She loves magpilo, maghugas ng plato, and TikTok, of course. She is Helmi Rose. Sila. Their trainer is Daddy Longlegs. Tarunga. De lasa.